lie at the same point, then these circles are said to be concentric? Let's have an example. In the current example, if the radius of the smaller circle is 7 centimeters, while the radius of the greater circle is 14 centimeters, and the measure of the angle EMF is equal to the measure of the angle XMY, which equals 50 degrees, could you prove that the length of the arcs AB and CD are equal, and that the lengths of the arcs EF and XY are equal? Well, to solve this example, you will start examining the smaller circle, since the measure of angle AMB equals the measure of angle CMD, which equals 50 degrees. Then the measure of the arcs AB and CD equal 50 degrees. Then to find the lengths of the arcs, use the law of the length of the arc, which equals the measure of the arc multiplied by 2 pi r over 360 degrees. As a result, the length of the arc AB equals 50 multiplied by 2 pi multiplied by 7 over 360, which equals 55 over 9 centimeters. In the same way, the length of arc CD equals 55 over 9 centimeters, which means that the length of the arc AB equals the length of the arc CD, which equals 55 over 9 centimeters. And this is the first requirement. The same happens in the greater circle, where the measure of the arcs EF and XY equal 50 degrees. Then the length of the arc EF equals 50 multiplied by 2 pi multiplied by 14 over 360, which equals 110 over 9 centimeters. And that means that the length of the arc EF equals the length of the arc XY, which equals 110 over 9 centimeters. And this is the second requirement. By reaching this point, you have gotten the proof and applied a common example on the length and the measure of the arc with two circles. So remember the current laws of arc to get the required quickly and easily.